In this exercise, we'll do some punching. Assume a stance, shoulder width and a half, feet parallel. Again, relax the body. Don't pull the arm back. The punch starts from the hip, straight out on the center of the body. From the knuckle to the wrist to the shoulder should be in a more or less straight line. Don't do this. Fold the fingers so that the middle finger and the ring finger touch the center of the palm, and bring the thumb over the first two fingers. From here, again, relax. Punch. So as we punch, we move the weight slightly onto the opposite leg. So I'm going to punch with my left hand and turn my hips to the right, keeping my right knee still, and punch on the center line. Then for the other side, I'm going to turn my hips to the left side, sink, and punch with my right hand. From the side, yeah. And you can do as many as you like. This is good for the upper body, for loosening up the chest and shoulder muscles and the arm muscles, and releasing tension in the upper body. But Michelle will now demonstrate. So the first thing is the feet. They need to come in so that they're parallel. She's not turning her hips enough. She needs to turn them a little bit more to close in on the left hip. Also, locking the elbow, we want this to twist slightly. So the point of the elbow must be down, not to the side, not facing me, like this. Also, she's pulling her arm too far back. The movement should come just from here. Relax the arm, yes. So now, sink, turn the hip, and punch. Okay, again. And again. And then a little bit more upright and relax the chest. Yes. When you relax your chest, you're going to give more distance. Yes, good. Making a slight mistake here. Instead of coming straight up like this, she's lifting it a bit and then punching. Must come straight out. Yes. Still a little bit on that side. No, you're lifting your arm. That side is fine. Okay, good.